Hi guys, today we're planting hydrangea in pots. I've just been to the garden center and we chose this beautiful, gorgeous hydrangea. I don't know where to plant it yet, so I decided to put it in pot. Most of my hydrangeas are in pots. So I'm using this ericaceous compost and put this in the pot. It's quite healthy. There's not much roots in there. I think it's just been transferred to the small pot. So let's go ahead and put this compost. It's ericaceous compost. When it gets bigger, I will transfer it to a bigger container so that there is enough space for the root system to spread out. I have some other hydrangeas as well in the pot called the Hydrangea paniculata. They do need regular watering, especially when they are in pots, to make sure they don't dry out. They get quite thirsty. Put some more compost in and we're nearly done. There we are. That's our hydrangea in pot. I just need to remember to water it regularly, especially because it's newly planted, to ensure it doesn't dry out until it's well established. So I'm gonna go and show you my other hydrangeas. So this one is called Hydrangea paniculata. It's more of a cone-shaped white flower that turns into like a pinkish in autumn. This is another one of the paniculata family. It has a white cluster flower. I really love it. This is another hydrangea that most people have in their gardens. It's called the mop head. Flower opens in late summer. Really gorgeous cluster of blue, pink and white. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Take care everyone.